Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into CSUF Student Portal, Cal State Fullerton access step by step clearly. Open your web browser on a computer, tablet, or smartphone. Make sure you have a stable internet connection before you begin. In the address bar, type the official Cal State Fullerton Portal URL and press enter. On the page, look for the CSUF Student Portal or Titan Online entry point. Click the login option that redirects you to the university single sign-on page. Confirm you are on a secure CSUF page by checking for the lock icon in the browser. Find the username field on the sign-in screen. Enter your CSUF username exactly as provided by the university. Move to the password field. Type your CSUF password carefully, paying attention to uppercase and lowercase letters. If you are using a public or shared device, do not select any Remember Me option. Click the Sign In button to continue. If you are prompted for Duo or another multi-factor method, choose your preferred verification option. Approve the login request on your phone or enter the passcode if required. Wait a few seconds while your account is authenticated. If you see an Access Denied or Invalid Credentials message, recheck your username and password. Use the Forgot Password link if you cannot remember your password. Follow the on-screen instructions to reset your password through the official CSUF process. Return to the login page and try signing in again after resetting. Once logged in, locate the main dashboard area of the student portal. Find the menu items for Student Center, Classes, Financial Aid, and Holds. Click Student Center to view enrollment, grades, and personal information. Use the search or navigation menu to find the specific service you need. If the portal loads slowly, refresh the page once and wait for it to complete. If you are asked to verify your identity again, complete the multi-factor prompt. Avoid opening multiple portal tabs to reduce session errors. When you finish, locate the Logout or Sign Out option, usually at the top corner. Click Sign Out to securely end your session, especially on shared devices. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.